Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we've got a casting that's new for 2025. It's called Gone Mad, and this is a kind of a fantasy casting, but is loosely based on older wagons, as you can see. So let's open it up and see how does it looks. So here is the Gone Mad casting out of its box. First thing first, the paint. Matte bluish gray kind of paint with this golden flames looks really good. And as I was talking, it looks like it's based on an older wagon. You can see that in the windscreen door, and in the front it's like an older car. Since we are on the side, let's talk about these wheels. They look really nice, and they do look like modified wheels. And you can also see the side mounted exhaust. Looks really cool. It's definitely a more, modified rather than a standard, like heavily modified for maybe racing kind of thing. So up front, you can see the front end, you can see where the headlamp is, but it's not detailed. You got a big splitter in the front, and you also got a kind of a big grill, like wider opening grill. V8, I guess. Windshield is tinted. You don't have any mirrors. I think racing cars don't need all those. So this is the driver side. As you can see, it looks almost identical as the passenger side that we saw first, and same quad exhaust coming from the side here. And if you see closely, you can see there are two racing seats inside done in chrome, and this looks like a big intercooler, actually two of them. So you got that, and it still continues like those classic body lines, but with slight twist. Coming to the back, you can see the big spoiler. You can still see that old style, wagon style. I think the round ones are the tail lamps, maybe. I'm not sure. But again, they are not detailed. You also got a big diffuser in the back. So it's a powerful racing car, I guess. The base doesn't have any major design or anything. It's just a flat, plain base. So overall, well, I like this casting. I don't usually go for fantasy casting, but this looks really good. I will leave it up to you if you wanna get this, but yeah, with some details, I think it's gonna look really good. Given you can add some. Well, that's all for the day. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.